What if someone tries to touch a woman with bad intentions and the moment they do, they get an electric shock? Yeah, sounds a bit crazy at first, right? But believe it or not, 2 years ago, around February 2024, I actually built something based on this exact idea. The concept was pretty simple. An electric current would run across the woman's body, so if any aggressor tried to touch her, they would immediately get a shock. Basically, the logic was very straightforward. If they can't touch her, they can't harm her. Now, obviously, when I built that system, there was one big problem. Electricity doesn't really pick sides, right? So sometimes the woman could feel the shock too, and not sometimes, like every time, which meant she had to take several precautions while using it. And that made the system a bit tricky. Now I'm not going to explain the whole thing here because I've already made a complete video about that and I've tagged it on the I button above and I've also added it in the description as well. So if you want to see how that worked, definitely go check that out. But today I want to show you the upgraded version of that idea. Not the upgraded, but a different version of that idea. So this time I wanted something much simpler and more practical. And funny enough, the whole device is built using something very basic. A PVC pipe, a PVC cap, and some basic stuffs. Yeah, I know, it looks like something from a plumbing shop, but sometimes innovation starts from the weirdest places. Inside this small casing, I've placed a 12-volt battery. Now 12 volts alone isn't enough to scare anyone, right? So I connected it to a step-up transformer which boosts the voltage and allows the device to create a high voltage spark. And on the top here I have attached two screws placed about an inch apart, and there's a reason why I put it in an inch apart. If you try to build it, you will definitely get to know. Yeah. When the circuit activates, electricity jumps between these screws and creates a visible electric spark. And trust me, when someone sees that spark right in front of them, they will usually start reconsidering their life's choices. And another thing I added is a charging module. So if the battery runs out, you can simply charge it using a Type-C port, just like charging your phone. Don't need to keep changing batteries again and again. Just plug it in, charge it, and it's ready to go. Now imagine this device sitting inside a bag or purse and the button accidentally gets pressed. Yeah, that could create a very unexpected light show. So to avoid that, I added a simple safety lock. These two wires act like a switch. If they are disconnected, the device will not activate even if the button is pressed. But once you connect them, the circuit becomes active. And don't worry, these wires are not carrying any such current, so you won't get shocked by touching them. And pressing the button will instantly generate the spark. Simple system, but it works. Now let me be very honest with you for a second. I know this device may not be the most perfect or fully practical solution for real life, but you can think of it something like pepper spray. Some people might not feel comfortable with the idea of wearing an electric system on their body, like the concept from my previous video, right? So for them, something handheld like this could be an option they carry. But yes, there's still one limitation. This device has to stay with the user. If someone manages to snatch it and throw it away, then obviously the device becomes useless in that moment. And yeah, I'm fully aware of that issue. That's exactly why I've already started working on another concept. A concept where the safety system still works even if someone tries to remove or throw away the device. And I've already started experimenting with that idea, and now I'm just hoping one thing, that I don't get busy again and delay the video. But if everything goes well, I'm hoping to upload that video sometime in the coming days or months, and honestly that might turn out to be the best women safety solution I've built so far. Until then, you can consider this video and the previous one as two different attempts from my side toward the same goal, improving women's safety through technology. If you found this idea interesting, make sure to like and share the video so more people can see concepts like this. And if you enjoy experiments, inventions and creative tech ideas, consider subscribing to the channel, because I've got more crazy ideas coming, and who knows, the next one might be even better. See you in the next video.